Hello everyone, my name is Charinda Vidushan Anand and my student index number is man23B11. Today I will demonstrate how to create simple command line interface based system to calculate the perimeter of square using C++ in Visual Studio. First, let's open Visual Studio. I will click on the Start menu and search Visual Studio. Once, uh, once it open, I will click Create New Project. Now I choose Empty Project for C++ and click Next. I will enter the square perimeter calculator and select location to save it. I will enter the project name as and click Create. After the project is created, I will right click on the source file folder in the Solution Explorer and click Add, click New Item. I will choose C++ file C++ file CPP and click Add. Now let's write the basic structure of our C++ program. Every C++ program need these fundamental elements. First, type hashtag include IO stream. Enter. You type using name space std and semicolon. Press enter. int main within brackets and curly brackets. Press enter. I have included the IO stream header for input-output operations. The using namespace std line allows us to use standard library functions without the std prefix. The main bracket function is where program execution begins and it returns an integer to the operating system. For this program, I will use two imported data types. First, float. This stores decimal number with single precision. I will use this for our perimeter and side length since they might be decimal values. Second one is int, which store whole numbers. While we won't use it in this program, it's good for this like menu choices or counters. Now let's declare our variable before the main function. Press enter. Type float perimeter comma length of one side. Press type semicolon. I am declaring two float variables here. Perimeter will store our calculation results and length of one side will store the user's input. Let's implement the user interaction. Let's implement the user interaction. First type C out. C out. Insert the length of one side. Next one is C in length of one side. Center. The cout is used to display messages to the user, and cin is used to the get input from the user. Here we were asking for the side length and storing it in our variables. The perimeter of the square is calculated by multiplying the length of one side by 4. Type perimeter equal 4 multiplied by length of one side. This simple formula is at the heart of our program. Finally, let's show the results to the user. See out. See out. The length of one side is length of one side is length of one side is length of one side. Again, see out. Then see out the perimeter. Again, see out. Perimeter. This displays both the original input and the calculated parameters. Now let's build and run our program. I will click on local Windows debugger button to compile and execute. Press local window debugger. Let's test it with the side length of 5.5 and we get a perimeter of 22, which is correct. Type 5.5 and press enter. To summarize, we have set up a C++ project in Visual Studio, created the basic programming structure, used appropriate data type, implemented input-output operations, applied the mathematical formula, successfully exceeded our program. This simple command line interface application demonstrates fundamental programming concept while solving particular problems. Thank you for watching.